Pick one. When your kids got a dry cough this season and you just want to give them some comfort, what do you reach for? I've really been making an effort to move away from defaulting to the over-the-counter stuff and leaning more into what we already have at home to soothe. This is how I make it. Let's vibe. Thin sliced onion. It can be whatever kind you already have. Red, yellow, white. They all work the same. I add fresh sliced ginger, then cover it all completely with the quality raw honey. Then let it sit overnight on the counter at room temp. Now all that's left is to strain it, but don't toss those onions and ginger though. Save them to roast with some veggies or add flavor to a soup or something. The cough syrup stays in the fridge and we use it for at least the next 2 weeks. So which one are you reaching for first now? Home remedy or over the counter?